What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the setup, and we're gonna start the video out with a little surprise. So any of you OGs probably remember a long time ago, Ewin out here sent me my gaming chair, and huge shout out to them for that. But today, I reached out and they have sent me another one, and that is because it is my little brother's birthday and I wanted to surprise him with a perfect little gift to his little setup. I'll show you his little setup in a second here once we get the chair all going. But yeah, massive shout out to them for sending this out. I think it's the perfect gift for him, and hopefully he enjoys the surprise. But first, we gotta unbox and pretty much assemble this whole thing. Now, with anything that takes assembly, I always ask how hard can it be, but that is something that one never should, because you never know where you're gonna find yourself throughout the whole process. But it is a simple gaming chair. Yeah, feels pretty good. So here is the chair, all finally complete. I absolutely love the little white lining that travels all the way around the entire thing. We got the pillows and everything's all pretty much dialed in. Added some lights and stuff to his setup so they could kind of complete this whole surprise look. And now it is basically time to go see what he thinks. Alright, go check it out.
Whoa!
I put the light setup in there too.
I like the LED lights and I like it.
Sit down. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Way better than before, huh?
Yeah.
Now today we're going to be adding some more mods to the Skyline. I know that's what you guys want to see, and we haven't really done any mods in a while just because the summer car show season started to take in, and I decided that, you know, the car is really good where it sits right now. But with that said, that doesn't mean I didn't have other parts already still waiting to be put on the car. So first off, we have right over here is a full carbon front lip under tray that is going under the current lip, and we've kind of test fit this, and I think I've hinted it around in many videos in the past revolving the car, but we've just never had the time to get this thing on. So that's got to go. And then we have back here, these look like skis. These practically are skis. Let's set these down carefully onto the cardboard. Oh, see, we got some Anyways, these are more skirts that go underneath the car. So yes, as crazy as the car is already all dialed in, we're adding another front lip and more skirts. But trust me, it'll look good. In fact, it'll make the car look even better than where it sits now, okay? One can never have too much aero. I mean, you actually can, unless you're time attack. And I guess if we're gonna do a garage tour over here, we have, I think this is Tim's jacket that he left here. You gotta come get that. We have a 1552s and R8 OEM wheels. And then the last mod that we're gonna try and install onto the car today, this is the most controversial thing of them all, but I had to do it. I had to do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're doing it. We're doing it to the Skyline, boys. I'm sure some of you guys are asking why, okay? I mean, I literally just bought this off Amazon for like 30 bucks, so I don't even know if it'll last that long, but we're gonna see, okay? Here's the thing. Ever since I pulled up to that meet where I took my dog in the Skyline at night, dude, I'm parked next to a car with underglow, and I saw other cars there with underglow. I was like, dang, this really would fit the vibe of my car. And the thing is that my car has every excuse in the entire world out of any car to have it, because it's a freaking Skyline, okay? That's literally Fast and Furious rooted and derived. And the other big thing is that one of the last shows of the whole season that this car has entered into is DriftCon After Dark, which is happening this weekend, and it's literally a night show. So it would at least be perfect to debut at that show with the whole setup. I already have other little show light setups on the car anyway, so it's just gonna tie right in. And I mean, it's just a Skyline. You just gotta have to hear me out on that. So step one is I'm gonna go over to my friend's place. He's gonna help us out with some of the installation stuff, which means that we have to get this whole front lip and skirt somehow packed into the car, and we shall see how this is gonna go. Yeah, guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to take this out of the box and put it in here somewhere. Alright, all the aero is now fitted into the car. We're good? I guess, I mean, there you have it. Alright, now let's head over to the buddy's place. Oh, holding up well in here. Still going strong. Hopefully, the plan is to be leaving my friend's place today with all this stuff, but instead of it being on the inside of the car, it's on the outside of the car, if you guys get what I'm saying. How's it going?
Hello.
We're back. Do you like my delivery setup?
I can't hear you.
Do you like my delivery setup?
Okay. It's efficient.
Yeah, I'd like to see you do that in that car.
Hey, I got 4 tires and a wheel in there.
One time?
Yeah, one time.
That's
You
sick.
should have seen it. It was wild.
I should have. The primary objective of the day is that we have to get this on first. This is the lip, because we want to mount the underglow strips under that. So we have to get that on first for the front. It's not the undergay, okay? It's the undercool.
Okay.
And then here are my strands. Here are my strands right here. Hopefully they're long enough, they're fine. And then we got to get those mounted off to the side.
It's not the size that matters, it's how you use it.
Okay.
You would say that.
Ding, ding.
Where's yours? Oh, it's on the top.
It's, yeah. All right, let's put that.
Wait,
It makes the nice little
It actually lined up. Hold up. This actually might work.
Oh shoot.
Yeah,
Okay,
lined up.
dude, that fits your interior like so much better because it's got the red stitching.
So I can have it then, right?
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
But then again, it absolutely does not fit my interior whatsoever. This is like, it looks like a pirate ship steering wheel. This car. I feel like it would only look like a pirate ship steering wheel even more so on yours because yours is like 10 times smaller.
Hey,
as an
yours
interior.
looks like a boat. Oh, let's give this to Tim.
Yo! Alright, well tell Tim to get an NRG hub first.
No, you can just tape it on his steering wheel.
Okay, that's a great idea. Well, anyway, on that note, I'll like my Vertex wheel back, please.
Yeah.
So we gotta place
So wrap it around
the doohickey onto the battery and connect that somewhat. But hey, this is the engine. You guys probably haven't seen that in a while.
Here, mess with this. One of you.
Got to connect the red wire to the red thing and the black wire to the black thing. Oh!
There we go.
Oh!
Green. No, turn it off. Oh, all right, red.
Okay, well, I believe the antenna for it is
okay.
right here. So if you point it at this, that should be the antenna.
It has music settings.
Ooh. It's like full daylight and that's already bright. Oh yeah, boy. We're going full Tokyo.
Full race.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's not sticky until you take the red stuff off.
Shut up!
Like pressing it on.
Yeah.
Yo, can we get some fucking clamps over here, dog?
Yo, Brennan, where are the clamps, dog?
I found one. Shut up.
Don't run over the vlog, dude.
Hey, frick you, the vlog.
How far down do you think, Brennan?
About 1/6 of the way. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good.
You know, did you peep that UltraMotive merch right there that you can get at JackUltraMotiveShop.com?
Don't care.
Now we're getting started onto the carbon front lip, the AB Flug style lip right here, which is a full tray. So at the same time, it's gonna add protection, but it can only add so much protection when I'm gonna be scraping this all the time. Now we just gotta mount this, and that's also why I'm glad that my car originally came with this all like kind of scuffed and it was all matted black, but I purposely made sure to get this gloss and paint matched because once this goes on here, it's gonna flow really well with that versus having carbon black and then that wouldn't work.
was strong. Like
Wait, what is this?
Just to get that jack out.
This is our prime professional setup that we got going here. Only at the best auto houses.
So much, it would be a bit.
Maybe if I didn't lower my car? What? Dude, I'm talking right now, dog. My rear fitment looks nice right now with the front all jacked up.
Ah, damn, still not right here on the bead though.
Shut up! So we have the skirts mounted with the lights underneath, and you can't see them at all right now because it's daylight. And I think I'm gonna have to hold that off for the DriftCon After Dark show when we're gonna take it to the first show with all the underglow on. I think I'm gonna wait till then to show you guys the underglow setup on the car. But for now, with this video is all about the skirts and the front lip anyway.
Just comes right out.
Oh, lucky.
Bro, we didn't think
Yeah, get out of the car.
we didn't think this through.
Hey, it's almost out.
We got the car off the
almost out.
wood and then we forgot how low this lip now sits.
Man, you really like playing with wood, don't you?
I love it.
There you go.
Alright, now we can take a good gander at this carbon fiber. Yo, that looks so sick!
Oh my god. Fiber's gonna get messed up, my dude.
It really is, dog. That's so aggressive though.
Dude, and the side skirts too?
Oh my god. Dude, it sticks out so much more. Oh, it goes so good with the hood. Well, anyway, we got that front lip all plastered on. It definitely makes the car's aero just look so aggressive as a whole. I never thought we'd still be doing more mods to the car, but here we are. There is never too many mods that can be done to any car out there. One never knows when to stop. But anyway, I say it's time to go ahead, get some rolling shots of the automobile. What do you say?
seen it all, it can all benefit you. Femme fatale, I can't fall in love with you. Seen it all, it can all benefit you. Femme fatale, I can't fall in love with you. Ski in my head, Henny in the cupboard. If you want it, I'm just saying. You can have whatever, just don't ask me about a plan. Let's avoid the topic, benefit from being friends. We can be together, but that body like a band. That black on the rim, they know that you're poison, baby. Let's not play pretend. This ain't gotta end. So dangerous, hella sus, like a tank. You a bad, real bad broad, but seen it all, it can all benefit you. Femme fatale, I can't fall in love.
Dude, it is like the freaking Mario Kart thing. Yo, you only got one left, dog.
You gotta play it safe.
Started with
speeding up.
started with 3 balloons. You only got one left. From the Red Robin. Oh yeah. Let me know when you're ready. Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh no!
I'm out of the game, dog. I lost my balloon.
What's wrong with you, man?
I'm out of the game, man. I lost the balloon. It's all over. Hang on, keep this recording. I want to try something.
What you doing?
Got him!
Never in a million years I ever expect to see that.
We're actually playing Mario Kart out here. This is game on.
Dude, that's too fucking funny.
I have the package.
This guy's stacking us up. I want you guys to comment down below how long do you think I'm gonna last with keeping this slip on without completely tearing it apart or anything because the car is full static. It might be by the end of this video that it has already come off, or it might be in months. Just comment down below how long do you think I can keep my aero on the car without completely scraping it off. Ultra.